Hi guys, today I have my friend Po here and she had a shopping trip at Hermes, right?
Yeah.
And she wants to show you guys everything that she bought. So let's just get started?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, should I just get mine over with because it's so boring?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I have two mascaras. One is blue and one is brown. And I also bought these trousers that I'm wearing already. That's all I bought. And now for the main event, what do you want to start with?
Start with the twillies.
Okay, so we'll start with the twillies.
I think this one's mine, so should I open it?
Yeah, of course. Bring the camera a bit closer. Is it yours? No.
No, that's that's my mum.
Yeah, you can open both of them and you can show them and tell them how you stole the one your mom wanted.
Yeah, so when we were looking at the twillies in Hermes, I saw the pink pattern and I thought I'd really like it. And I thought my mum had this one, but then she said no, and she wanted this one. So then she got a different colour.
Yeah.
So it was like cheated, I think. And then this side's pink.
So these are the same twilly but just different colors.
Yeah.
And your mom wanted the one that you got.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna let her borrow it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, if she's on good behavior.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she's already got a lot of twillies.
Oh, and how many do you have?
This is my second one.
It's your second. Okay, so you deserve it. Yeah? She has much more than you.
I think I'll open this.
Right.
This is the ring that my mum bought from Hermes, and I'm just gonna open it.
Yeah. And why did she buy this ring?
Because she lost the exact same one, and she wanted to buy it again. It's really cute.
Let's see if we can show. So it's silver, right?
Yeah.
And it's very cute, actually. Like that. You can put it on. Does it go on any of your fingers?
It goes in this, my index finger. And it's really cute.
Very cute. So your mom lost the exact same one.
Yeah.
And she wanted to replace
She
it.
lost it in the swimming pool when she was going to the toilet.
Oh no. Well, now she got the same one. So.
And every time we used to go there, she used to ask the reception to see if they found it. Yeah.
No
But
luck.
No.
Yeah. I'm sure it got taken very quickly.
I'm gonna do this one last.
So we have two more items left. This big one, if anyone can guess what it is. And this one.
Yeah, it's a belt. Yeah, also I really like it. And then she chose a rose gold, like what is it called?
Buckle.
Buckle. So
Maybe we can open the buckle. This is the buckle. You have to build it yourself.
So my mom's got a big one of these.
How pretty. She calls it the Minecraft buckle, right?
Yeah. And then we've got the actual belt here. So it's black and also a tube.
Oh, and she got the holes made already.
Yeah,
Nice.
she got the holes made. So it's a tube on this side.
Yeah, and it looks really nice with the rose gold.
Then on the back it's like black, and also looks really good with the rose
It does.
gold.
Very pretty.
Yeah. So I think now we can do the
Yeah, I will put everything away while you do the bag.
Yeah.
It's okay, they don't know what bag it is.
Yeah. So we got this
Drum roll.
So should I just take it out?
Yeah. Sure. I'll help you. And you can pull it out.
It's a Pickleton 18, a tube with gold hardware, and it's really cute. So I was like doubting my mum when she bought this because
You were doubting her?
Yeah, because she always carries a lot of stuff. Because when it's raining, she always brings like 2 umbrellas in her bag. and I thought that the umbrellas might not fit in here.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
But she can carry a second tote bag.
If
If she really needs 2 umbrellas.
Mhm.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You can hold it and show. You can stand up and. Looks really cute.
Yeah. I think it's the perfect size for me and her.
Yeah, because it's going to be yours eventually.
Yeah, eventually.
Yeah.
But she's gonna give me her other one when I'm older.
Yeah. She has 3 picotins now.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Mhm.
So that's all, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
So yesterday we filmed a Pop Mart unboxing, and
Yeah.
I'll include that in the clip right after this one.
Yeah.
So we'll just say goodbye for now, and thank you for watching. Bye. So what are we going to do? We're going to unbox. What is this? Crybaby phone necklace lanyard. Yeah.
I like the one at the front.
Oh, that's that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want that one?
Yeah.
I don't want the devil.
No.
This one. This, I think, not the nicest. Okay.
Or should I want the secret one?
Yeah. Always want the secret one.
Yeah.
The puppy one is cute too. So, ready? Sue me. Okay. Oh, don't look at the card thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the one with the crown.
Oh.
And is that the one you wanted?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh, we have the same one. So this is the new one that has the bubble.
Yeah. I don't know which one I want.
You'd be happy with any of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know which one it is.
Oh, they all feel the same. So.
Yeah.
You can show the camera and squeeze it. How cute. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Such a cute
now,
color.
what do you want to open next?
Okay, next. Should I open this one since there's only one of this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I'll just.
I want the crab because I'm a Cancer. Which one do you think it is?
I don't know.
You don't know. You can, someone can see first. Oh, it's cute!
It's Taurus. It's Taurus.
Sumi, it's not a toy for you. It's Taurus.
I think so.
Oh,
I've got
it's
that one.
cute. Oh, really? We have the same one?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
Check
and
the
it
box.
has hanamizu. So what is this?
It's like a weaving wonders.
So they're hats.
Yeah, the hat.
Okay. Okay, ready? Oh! I think it's the one I wanted. A blue one.
I got a purple one.
Cute!
Oh no, this was actually the one that I wanted as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Perfect. So what is this? Just a hat.
Yeah.
But there's something like
Cute.
there's
Oh,
you
you
can put
can-
keys. Oh, don't eat it.
Cute.
Don't eat it. It's a hat for you.
This is really cute. Try not to look at the card. And sometimes the cards fall out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think this one is. I'm just gonna. Which one is this?
Oh!
Oh, this is the one that you wanted. This one's really cute.
Wow!
I think I might keep this one.
And the other one for your mom?
Yeah, because my mum, we've got Pop Mart collections and hers is like purple and blue.
Okay.
I think it'll match really well.
Yeah.
Then mine is mostly beige. And then
Cute.
got that. Okay, now
KKK.
you've got a skull panda.
I do. Should I open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Honestly, I want the secret for this one, and I don't want the Christmas tree. So, I don't know if your mom chose it. Did your mom choose the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So my
I
mum-
hope she didn't choose
so
the Christmas
so
tree.
we both got the one that we wanted. So my mum wanted that one, she
Mhm.
got it, and then I
Okay.
got that one that I wanted, and
Let's
she's
see.
using it.
No Christmas tree, please. Here, that's the one I don't want. Oh,
You got the reindeer.
it's also seasonal, but it's okay.
You can also
Look at
move
the eyes.
the eye.
Are you
can-
okay?
You can move the eyes.
Oh, I can fix it. Oh, thank God. Oh no, it's still not okay. cute.
I really like the texture.
Yeah,
of
the
that.
hat is cute. So this goes to rest until Christmas time. And do you
Okay.
have more? Oh, right, you have the Labubu.
Oh yeah. Do I have anything else after that?
You can check. You can open everything if you want. Okay, I'll just open this one really quickly while you're getting everything ready. This is a foam
Oh
wristlet.
yeah, I've got that
right?
one. Like a...
I really want the bunny, the pig. I just don't want the reindeer, please. Please, I don't want the reindeer.
The pig.
Thank
So
God.
cute.
It's really big.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be walking
I
around
thought
with
it was
this.
gonna. I
Oh,
thought
it's
it was gonna be.
squishy.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be smaller.
I didn't think it was gonna be. He has snot coming out of his nose. Cute. Okay. So, she knows what's in there.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna tell it to you guys.
Right. Okay. So you guys can guess.
Know which one is in here. So I wanted to particular have a soup one, and so yeah, I don't know who got it for me. Who was it?
What?
Who got this one for me? Oh yeah,
I got it for
me.
her.
And so I'm just gonna open it.
What a surprise!
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
So I wanted the pink one.
I didn't know it was so cute.
Because I really like the heart
Yeah,
eyes.
you can show them.
So there's heart
How
eyes.
cute. Yeah, yeah, good.
And it's like pink.
And actually, I got you something you don't know about that's
Yeah.
for that in here.
Okay.
So, I don't know if you'll like it, but
New outfit. Then also there's a... Oh, it's so cute. Shit.
yeah.
That's so cute.
I'm not sure how stable they're gonna be, but we can try.
Yeah.
There's one more maybe in there.
What is it?
What do you think?
Glasses. Thank you.
No problem.
They're so cute. So they're pink glasses.
So she got an outfit for her. What is this, Dada? I think so. Cute.
Yes, Dada.
For Dada, there's outfits.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. And I guess you will be back for what's in my bag
Yeah.
video sometime soon, yeah? Okay, bye guys.
Bye.